Sup? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Damien Dupee, your #1 off-market land specialist, hyper focused on them infill lots. You are now tuned into the We Are Land Specialist YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, I want to welcome you. Thank you for showing up, pulling up. Appreciate you. If you have been here for a while, you have subscribed to my channel. Like, really, let's go. Go ahead and subscribe, smash the notification bell. Go ahead and like the video, and if you find anything valuable, go ahead and drop me a comment. So today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be talking to you about a couple things today. But really, what I really want to drive home is how to find land to wholesale. Okay, 100 ways to do it. Just don't go looking for it at the grocery store. You hear me? Hey, yeah, how to find land to wholesale. Hundreds, maybe not hundreds, but there's so many different ways to find land to wholesale. You just got to be what we call innovative. You got to think outside the box, okay? I'm going to show you just a couple ways that work for me, how to find land in wholesale. Some of it requires an investment, okay? Speaking of investment, if you're willing to invest in yourself, yours truly would like to mentor you. If you want to take me up on that offer, you can get signed up for my paid course, and we can get you going with a strategy session and get you going for $9.97. Listen, one-time investment, $9.97. You get access to your boy, and you get to do deals on autopilot. I mean, you can't beat that with a bet. How does that sound? All right, cool. All right, so today, it's really going to be short and sweet. I mean, at the end of the day, there's so many ways to find land deals. There's so many ways. But I'm going to just show you probably some of the more common ones. And if you do, I'll show you two different ways. If you do got money to invest in data, and I'll show you if you don't have money to invest in data. Okay. So the first way to find land deals is one, find a land buyer. Okay. You want to start there, reverse engineer the process. Listen, if you don't want to be stuck like Chuck and you don't want to be in Ouchville, you want to do this in this order. So before you even start to even think about, wholesaling land, you need to find a buyer, and you need to make sure that person is official, like a referee with a whistle. They buy multiple lots, and they gonna be able to get it done for you. You need to know that beyond a shadow of a doubt, and you know that by looking at comparables, so properties and linked properties. I'll show you how to do that here in a minute. But let me back up a little bit because I might have been going too fast for you. Where you need to start is finding a buyer. Okay? Find a buyer. Hear me out. If you find a deal and don't have a buyer, you're in Ouchville. Okay? Now you're, looking for a buyer. Oh, I need a buyer. Oh, don't do that. Here. This is what you do. Listen, if this is your first time, listen. Consider partnering with me, okay? I am a buyer. I am a cash buyer. I do buy land. I do develop land, meaning I buy land, clear it, grade it, pad it, and sell the finished product to a builder as a finished pad site. But I do wholesale land. So consider partnering with your boy. So we got number one done, okay? Find a buyer, okay? I'm a buyer. I'm connected to buyers. Done, okay? No more guesswork. We done, okay? So the second one is very, where to find land deals at, okay? If you have some money to invest in yourself, I highly recommend this where you start, Propstream. If you want to get down like James Brown, the link is in the description if you want to get with me. But Propstream, start here. And you're looking for land deals, you want to start here. Let me take a picture of these filters real quick. You want to start here. This is the paid version. This $100 allows you to export 10,000 leads a month, okay? Which is equivalent to 1 penny a lead. Okay? You can't beat that with a bat. I mean, I don't know where else you're going to get 10,000 leads. Of course, they're not skip traced or anything like that. It's just the data. But for $100, I think that's pretty dope. All right. So if I was brand new, okay, one, I would partner with myself. Pretty dope. Partner with myself, okay? And I would then go and find out where do I have buyers at. So let me walk you through this. Partner with your boy. Now you need to go find out where do I have buyers at. Okay. Very easy to do. Come down here to the description. Come down here to hunting criteria. Throw your email in there. And here goes a smorgasbord. I tried to make this super, super easy for the people. Here goes a smorgasbord of areas where I'm looking for land in. Okay. Smorgasbord. Okay. Can't go wrong. But let's just take one of these, for example. All right. I even got the Propstream criteria. I mean, you can't beat that with a bat. And look, I even bless you with a free builder. All right, but let me get back on focus because I got to give you this game because I want you to do your first deal. So check this out. I'm going to just pick one of these spots, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm looking for people who's in Ouchville. If you brand new and you got some money to invest in yourself, you want to do this right here, Spencer, North Carolina. All right, this is going to give me Spencer, North Carolina. I just want vacant land. You definitely need these filters. You need to tell the system what you're looking for, okay? Vacant land, minimum 4,000 square feet. Let's stop it at an acre, 43,560. Why do I stop it at the acre? Because I want infill lots. I don't want acreage. I want smaller lots inside of neighborhoods, okay? All right, so ownership, I'm going to leave that one alone. All right, vacant land, boom. All right, what else we going to do? All right, so let's go to the quick list right here. Let's see if we can see some lots that got some tax delinquencies. All right, that filter ain't work. Let's see if we can find some lots where someone has died. Okay, recently. All right, we found a couple where somebody has died. All right, so I would start right here. You might say, well, that's not a lot. You don't need a lot. You just need a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Start here. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know how to skip trace, I'm going to show you how to skip trace real quick. Get in and get out. But, yeah. Oh, no. What happened? So, as you can see these joints on the map. You know what I'm saying? You just want to skip trace these people. All right? Want to skip trace them. And you want to see if they trying to bust a move. All right. I'm going to go for number 3. I'm going to go First Street. I'm going to go here. All right, Denise, owner, care of name, Peg Whitley. Okay. All right, they own this since 1996. Link Properties. Okay. They own another property. Cool. All right, what do I care about? I care about, one, I'm trying to find out. All right, care of Peggy Whitley. So what you want to do is reverse address search on the address. And you can just go to True People Search, reverse address, 502 2nd Street. All right, and we both know that that's Spencer, North Carolina. We all know. All right, so a lady came up named Denise Whitley. I know Denise is dead because it's on a deceased tip. So then I know that Peggy Whitley is probably the decision maker. So even though I think Denise is dead, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm looking for a Peggy Whitley. Boom, here go Peggy. I'm going to call Peggy right now. Oh, no, I think Peggy did. Peggy Denise Whitley. But this saying care Peggy Whitley. So maybe she ain't dead. Maybe her husband died or something. Let me see if I can see anything else on this thing. Alright, so I did know that she did get a loan from State Employees Credit Union on it. Alright. Alright, so basically what you want to do is, in any event, this person look like they dead, you want to come down here to it says possible relatives, right? And you want to start hitting these people up. This the game. This is how you going to get her done. Alright, so this is Peggy. Let me see if I can get somebody on the phone for you. All right. So this one way. This just one way. I'm gonna show you another way real quick. How to find these land deals. Propstream is a way to do it. Deceased owners. Tax delinquent. Propstream. Okay. Hello, Miss Whitley.
Sorry, you got the wrong number.
Oh, would you happen to know a Peggy Whitley by any chance?
No, I sure don't.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. All right, you're going to get the wrong number, people. Don't be discouraged. Keep going. Don't quit. You hear me? All right. So another way to do it is Rowan County Delinquent Tax List. This is how you find deals. But you got to put in the work. Listen, if you comfortable, that means you're not doing deals. You're not making any money. But if you uncomfortable, you on your way. All right, delinquent taxpayers list. This stuff is like $3.99. This the list right here. Man, you can go to town with this list. These all the delinquent taxpayers for 2021. I mean, you can go to town with this list, ladies and gentlemen. Hear me. All right, that ain't the right list. This is the right list. Oops, my bad, peoples. I got you all mixed up here. All right, boom. This is the right list right here. Right here. Money. Money. Listen, get uncomfortable. Skip trace these people. Call these people. Make offers. It tells you everything you need to know. All you need to do is skip trace and find their phone number and make them an offer. If you ain't... I'm going to do a make an offer challenge because I need people to make more offers to do more deals. You hear me? So hopefully this was able to help you out some on how to find land deals. Propstream is going to be probably your best. And if you fancy, right? If you fancy, you know what I'm saying, and you want to pay how you weigh, you know what I'm saying, you're going to go to this joint right here, which is DataTree. Do I like this system better than Propstream? Yeah. Is Propstream effective? Yeah. But DataTree a little bit more expensive, but yeah, you get you get a little bit more quality data. You can put it on there where it won't like basically export duplicates. You know what I'm saying? Like there's so much stuff you can do in DataTree. Man, it's so many filters in DataTree. They got religious organization filters. I got a deal from that filter. Basically churches that own lots. So listen, the game is to be, you know what I'm saying, you got to put in the work. If you haven't put in the work, listen, don't expect no results. I'm Gone Like the Wind. Appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel. Like, comment, share. Appreciate you. I'm Gone Like the Wind. Peace.